Good morning, students. So, as in the last previous video, we have discussed the forward bias and reward bias of a PN junction diode. And also, we have discussed that what do you mean by semiconductor? Okay. And semiconductor is nothing but it is basically it is a PN junction diode provided with the metallic contacts at the two ends of the diode. Okay. Now, in today's topic, we are discussing the VI characteristics. VI characteristics of PN junction diode. PN junction diode. Okay. Here VI means voltage current characteristics. V indicates the voltage, I is indicating the current. Okay. So in this characteristics, we are verifying that how the current is varying with the applied voltage. Through the graphically we are studying the characteristics of voltage and current of a PN junction diode. When we are applying the voltage to the diode and throughout the diode, how the current is changing, how the current is varying. Okay, that is what we are discussing in this topic, that is VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Okay, here we are studying that. So sometimes they might ask you in 1 marks also, what is the use of studying the VI characteristics of PN junction diode? Okay, so it gives us the information, it gives us an idea that how the current is changing or varying with the applied voltage. Okay, so here I am writing here this VI characteristics is what here variation of current with applied voltage. Okay, of a PN junction diode. Okay. So in this first we will discuss the forward bias characteristics. Forward bias characteristics. As in the last class, we have already discussed that. What do you mean by this forward biasing, and what do you mean by that is reverse biasing? Okay. So when an external voltage, when an external voltage means when the battery, the positive of the battery, when it is connected to the P region, and the negative terminal of the battery when it is connected to the N region, then it is said to be as forward bias. Okay. Now here we have taken a diode. This is a diode. I'll write directly here. As in the last previous class, I told you that it is forward biasing. Okay. Now here I am drawing a circuit diagram of this forward bias characteristics. Okay. Circuit diagram. Okay. So the symbolical representation of PN junction diode, how it is, how we are representing symbolically like this. Diode को इस तरह represent करते हैं, circuit symbol. Symbolical representation of PN junction diode. So this side it indicates P and this side it indicates N. And these are the two metallic contacts. They are the two metallic contacts. As I told in the definition only, semiconductor diode is basically a PN junction diode provided with two metallic contacts at the ends. Okay. Now let us take the p-n junction diode here. Okay. Now this is the p-n junction diode, right? And it is under forward bias. Okay. When we can say it is forward bias? When P region is connected to positive terminal. Is positive. Always you should remember that this bigger line it indicates positive and smaller line it indicates negative. It is positive and it is negative. This P region is connected to positive terminal and N region is connected to negative terminal. Here I am placing a milliammeter here. It is a milliammeter. Okay, milliammeter. Okay, there is a switch here. And here in turn I am connected with the voltmeter here. This is a voltmeter. Okay. This is what the circuit diagram of p-n junction under forward bias. Now, so here this is a variable voltage here. Okay. This voltmeter is a device which measures the voltage across the diode, and this ammeter, milliammeter is a device. Usually ammeter किसे बोलते हैं? Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current across the circuit. कोई डिवाइस में कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है इसे मेजर करना है तो हम क्या लेते हैं? एमीटर लेते हैं. एमीटर में अलग अलग के एमीटर्स है, मिलीमीटर है, माइक्रोमीटर है. So we are using the millimeter here. Okay. Now this is a switch here. It is a switch. Okay, it is a switch here. If I close this switch, means if I close the switch, it becomes a closed circuit. If I open this, there will be a gap between these two terminals. Then it is an open circuit here. Now it is an open circuit here. Now I am here. It is closing here. इसे हम close कर रहा हूँ. तो अब यहाँ पे चार्ज फ्लो का, यहाँ पे वोल्टेज वेरी कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे क्या होगा इसमें चार्ज कैरियर्स मूव होंगे. Okay. Now it is a switch on here. Okay, switch is on. That means it is a closed circuit. Okay. Now in this what happens here now? When we plot a graph between this is a current in terms of milliammeter, that is a voltage. Okay, that is a voltage. We are plotting a graph between voltage and current here. Now when slowly this arrow is indicating the variable voltage, where I can vary the voltage 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt like that. Okay. From 0 I am starting here. Okay. Now slowly when I change this voltage here now, as you know that how this forward bias it works, in the last class I explained you that how it works, how the current is going to be increased there. Okay, वहाँ पे मैं आपको बताया था कि वहाँ पे जो फॉरवर्ड बायस में क्या होता है, करंट इंक्रीज होते जाता है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसमें जो होल्स हैं, ओके, इन पी रीजन द मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स आर होल्स and in n region the majority charge carriers are electrons here. Okay, now this is a positive terminal and it is a negative terminal. यहाँ पे holes are the positive charge carriers, so that's why they will get repelled by this terminal, and here it is negative, and here in L also we are having electrons will get repel each other. Okay, now there what happens here, there will be a diffusion of charge carriers from N region to P region to So because of due to that, there will be some increase in the current. So there what happens? In that case, we are having a low resistance. As I written some few points in yesterday's class, having a low resistance. Okay. So here, same here also. Now I am changing the voltage here slowly. Here, take for example 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, 5 volt. Okay. Now slowly when I change this voltage, now we can see in this milliammeter. So here I am changing the voltage, means here it shows some reading here. 1 volt. If I change 2 volt. If I change again it shows 3 volt like that. So simultaneously here also in ammeter also it shows some readings. Okay, it shows some readings. It shows 0.1 milliammeter. Same next 0.15 milliammeter like that. Okay. So in the beginning when I am changing this voltage in this PN junction diode, okay, when it is under forward bias, we can observe that here from graphically when we plot the graph between the voltage and the current here. So the nature of the voltage will be like this. And finally, when I plot this graph, it will be like this. Okay. Now, when I am changing this volt from 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, there is some small current. There is some small current we can see, but it is almost negligible. That means it is almost constant only, zero रहेगा. At one particular voltage, okay, at one particular voltage, what happens here? The current starts to increase exponentially now. Okay, when if I go on change that voltage, at one particular voltage, what happens? Suddenly, the current starts increasing exponentially. In the beginning, what happens? When I am changing this diode, in the diode, what happens? The voltage will cross in the diode to a certain value. एक certain value तक voltage क्या होगा diode में cross होते रहेगा. तो एक ऐसा voltage पे क्या होगा वहाँ पे? The current increases. Okay, the current increases. So that is called as, that voltage is called as cut-in voltage. It is called as cut-in voltage, or also it is called as threshold voltage. Threshold voltage. So what is this cut-in voltage or threshold voltage? It is that voltage it is that voltage at which the current starts to increase exponentially. Okay. Now if I go on increase the voltage, so what happens? The current goes on increases. Okay. So that voltage is called as threshold voltage, or it is called as cut-in voltage. Understood? So this is how the forward bias of the current, that is VI characteristics of a PN junction diode under forward bias. Okay. So here we can observe that as the current is exponentially, it is increasing. Okay. Voltage के साथ तो current में भी increase होते जाएगा. धीरे-धीरे current भी क्या होगा? Increase होते रहेगा. तो इस voltage, say for example, at this voltage, this is the 4 volt. तो यहाँ पे जो डायोड हम यूज कर रहे हैं, उस मटेरियल का, वो जो डायोड है सेमीकंडक्टर डायोड, जो भी मटेरियल, से फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर यूजिंग द जर्मेनियम सेमीकंडक्टर डायोड. जर्मेनियम इज अ सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल. ओके, तो क्या है? मटेरियल हो. तो उसका जो कटिंग वोल्टेज कितना है? नॉर्मली उसका जो वोल्टेज है, जर्मेनियम का कटिंग वोल्टेज जो है 0.2 वोल्ट है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे मैं जर्मेनियम अगर यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो मेरा जो कटिंग वोल्टेज है वो यहाँ पे आएगा. Now if I say I am using the silicon semiconductor diode, now its cutting voltage is 0.7 volt. So approximately, तो starting में beginning में मेरा current क्या रहेगा? Almost negligible रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे जो 5, 6 से जब start होगा यहाँ पे, जब मैं सिलिकॉन यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, दिस इज फॉर जर्मेनियम एंड इट इज फॉर सिलिकॉन, सिलिकॉन की कटिंग वोल्टेज कितना है 0.7 है। तो इस वोल्टेज को मैं जैसे करंट वोल्टेज इंक्रीज करते जाऊंगा, यहाँ पे 6 है, यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट 87, ऑलमोस्ट अप्रोक्सीमेटली व्हेन इट कम्स नियरेस्ट टू द 6 इट स्टार्ट्स टू कंडक्ट नाउ, कंडक्शन स्टार्ट होगा। कंडक्शन स्टार्ट होगा मतलब क्या, वहां पे करंट फ्लो हो रहा है। तो करंट यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे जब रीडिंग्स कुछ वैल्यू बता रहा है, व्हेन इट इज शोइंग सम values in the current here, that means the current is flowing in the conductor. So till here from 0 to almost 6 here, the voltage across the diode is, it is taking for a certain value, it is taking. After that, when I am increasing this voltage, the current is increasing, that means it is conducting now. Okay, so that is what the forward bias. So for this property only, for this property of forward bias only, we are using the forward biasing for rectification purpose. For rectification, not rectification. Rectification. Okay, we are using for rectification. For this property only, it is increasing exponentially. So for this property only, we are using the semiconductor diode or forward bias for rectification purpose. Okay, so this is all about the forward bias characteristics. Okay, और एक बार I'm explain कर रहा हूँ, once I'm explaining here, listen here. So in the beginning, when I'm increasing the voltage, when the semiconductor diode, p-n junction diode, when its p region is connected to the positive terminal, n region is connected to the negative terminal, and when you are connecting a ammeter across this circuit and voltmeter, ammeter is a device which measures the current, voltmeter is a device which measures the voltage. So when I am changing, this arrow is indicating the variable voltage. So now I am changing the increasing the voltage slowly. So the current across the diode will be almost negligible. At one certain value of voltage, now current starts to increase exponentially. So that at that voltage, when it is starting to increase exponentially, that voltage is called as threshold voltage or cutting voltage. You can define it as also, you can also define it as like a minimum voltage at which the current starts to increase. Okay, that is called as threshold voltage. Okay, so threshold voltage for germanium is 0.2 volt, for silicon it is 0.7. Now similarly, this is for forward bias. Now when we come to the reverse bias, here we are connecting this p region to negative terminal and n region to positive terminal. Okay, now here we are taking a microammeter. Why we are taking this microammeter here? Because in this the resistance is very high, as we discussed in the last class. In the reverse bias, always the resistance is very high. Okay, so when I go on increasing the voltage here, when I go on increasing the voltage here, okay, so in the beginning the current in the diode is very small. It is very small. It is very small because of due to the flow of minority charge carriers from p region to n and n region to p. Okay, now the majority charge carriers in this holes, and here it is electrons. In n region the majority charge carriers are electrons, and in p region the majority charge carriers are holes, and minority charge carriers in p region is electrons, and the minority charge carriers in n region is holes. आप ये याद रखना, p region में majority charge carriers क्या होते हैं? Holes होते हैं. This round is indicating the holes. Minority charge carriers are electrons, and in n region the majority charge carriers are electrons, minority charge carriers are holes. ओके, तो इसमें जो होल्स है अब यहाँ पे अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव टर्मिनल है, और यहाँ पे जो होल्स है वो सॉरी इलेक्ट्रॉन से जो है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्टेड, वो इधर अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे। अब इसमें जो करंट जो है स्मॉल करंट, दैट वेरी स्मॉल करंट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग, दैट इज मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यू टू द माइनॉरिटी चार्ज कैरियर्स इन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे नेगेटिव टर्मिनल है, रिपल्शन होगा थोड़ा बहुत तो इधर आ जाएंगे। अब यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, इसमें कुछ होल्स है तो रिपल्शन होगा तो इधर आएगा। तो ये डिफ्यूजन के टाइम पे जो करंट रहेगा वो उसे ड्रिफ्ट करंट, ड्रिफ्ट करंट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, the current due to which the motion of the minority charge carriers from p region to n and n region to okay, तो इसमें जो करंट है वो स्मॉल रहेगा, वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, ओके, इट इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा करंट रहेगा, बिगिनिंग में थोड़ा बताएगा। नाउ व्हेन आई slowly increase the voltage, now as I done in the previous in forward bias, same here also I'm increasing the voltage here. At one particular voltage, suddenly the current will get increased. वहाँ पे exponential increase हो रहा था ना, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, suddenly एक current increase हो जाएगा। जैसे for example, यहाँ पे very small current था, 0.1, almost 0.15, वहाँ पे almost negligible current, मतलब constant था वहाँ पे current, यहाँ पे थोड़ा current रहेगा, almost it is very small. Suddenly what happens, the current directly it will get increased here, okay, it will get increased here. So that current when it is increasing means that is only because of due to the minority charge carriers present in the p region and the n region. Understood? Okay, so that is called this reverse bias. Now we have discussed the reverse bias here. Sorry, I forgot to write here reverse bias characteristics. Okay, p region is connected to negative terminal and n region is connected to the positive terminal. Okay, so this is all about the reverse bias characteristics. So the forward bias में जो property बता रहा है, okay, वहाँ पे जो current exponential increase हो रहा, for that purpose only, for that property only we are using the forward bias for rectification purpose. Okay, now I'll tell you what is this rectification. So this is, it is very important and you are having the practical on this also. Okay, so in today's class we have discussed the VI characteristics, means voltage and current characteristics of PN junction diode under forward bias and under reverse bias. In forward bias we have noted that when we noted the values of voltage and current for different voltage, when we noted the value of current, it is observed that the current for a certain value of voltage, the current is going to be remaining same, but after some certain value of voltage the current is exponentially increasing. For that voltage we are calling it as the threshold voltage. Understood? तो यहाँ पे आप लोग ये ध्यान में रखना है कि फॉरवर्ड बायस में क्या होता है, ऑलवेज इन फॉरवर्ड बायस द रेजिस्टेंस इज वेरी लो, द रेजिस्टेंस इज वेरी लो, जहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस कम होता है वहाँ पे करंट फ्लो होता है। से फॉर एग्जांपल मेटल है, मेटल में रेजिस्टेंस क्या रहता है, बहुत कम रहता है, इसलिए आप तो मेटल रॉड को लेकर अपने प्लग में डालते हैं, आपको करंट शॉट होता है। इट अलाउज द चार्ज कैरियर्स टू फ्लो। So same thing here also. So in the beginning, semiconductor diode, that is what the advantage of using the semiconductor diode. यहाँ पे controlled flow में charge carriers flow होते हैं. In the beginning of the class, in introduction class, I told you that. Okay. Now whatever the devices which you are using now, the electronic devices, they are under the controlled flow of charge carriers. Okay, they are under the control flow of charge carriers. Now when I am increasing the voltage here, particularly the current in this diode is almost negligible, but at one particular voltage it it starts to conduct now. How can we came to know that it starts to increasing? So we have seen in the graph that the current value is increasing. यहाँ पे मिलीएम्पेयर में सडनली इंक्रीज होता है कभी. अब आगे तुम जितना वोल्टेज इंक्रीज, अब ऐसा ही कि मैं जितना चाहे वोल्टेज इंक्रीज कर सकता हूँ नहीं. If I go on increase the voltage, the diode will get damaged. Okay, हमें उस टाइम पे हमें वहाँ पर डायोड पूरा ऐसा जले हुए जैसे नजर आएगा. Okay, so it is having some certain voltage, germanium 0.2. At 0.2 voltage only it starts to conduct. At 0.7 voltage only the silicon it starts to conduct. Okay, so this is all about the forward bias and reverse bias. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss the one more important topic which is called as a rectification. Okay, so in rectification we are using devices for rectification purpose process. We are using the devices which is called as rectifier. Okay, it is a process. Rectification is a process. Rectifier is a device. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next class. What do you mean by rectification, rectifier, and we are having the two types of rectifier here. Okay, that also we will discuss in the next class. And today we will stop here. Okay, thank you, dear students.